Hey everyone, I am sharing this week's grocery haul with you, and we will just start right here. We went to, I don't know how many different stores, I'll let you know where. It's one of those, you know, you can get one thing at one place, and sometimes when you need to stock up, that's what happens. So, needed some Kleenex, out of the way, and a couple of things of water, and then I wanted a thing of, this is like real, like lemon juice. My husband put this in his water sometimes, but also I wanted a little bit for salad dressings. And then speaking of that, so salad, I got this one. I like this one because I like the actual lettuce chopped up in it. Some of them has too many like chopped up Brussels sprouts, stuff like that. I don't like those at all. And then ended up getting a spring mix. So we went to, let's see, we went to Aldi for wine, Publix, Kroger, and Sprouts. We went to that many stores today. Some brown rice, that was from Publix. This, I've shown you before. I can get this usually sometimes at Publix or Sprouts. So I stocked up and got 2 bottles of those. And then I went to Aldi thinking, you know, they had a good Pinot Grigio a long time ago, and I only have 1 bottle of white in my wine fridge right now. So I thought, oh, I'll stock up on that. Well, they didn't have it, but they did have this. And if you guys have never bought wine from Aldi, they're kind of known for having some good wines, and they usually have like some off the wine spectator list. So this one was ranked pretty good. And then I also thought, this was on a different list. I can't remember what it was, but it wasn't wine spectator like the other. And then this one. Usually if I like Sauvignon Blanc, I like them from New Zealand. I'm kind of picky. I like French wine, Italian, New Zealand whites. I do like Oregon, which speaking of, I had this when we were in West Palm Beach at J. Alexander's. And it was excellent. So I wanted to buy this. I could find this at Publix. So anyway, this is a very good Pinot Noir. And like I said, I do like Oregon wines. So if you like wines like I do, maybe check that one out. Some cauliflower, 2 things of the frozen fish I've talked about before. See, this is why I say the grocery hauls start to get repetitive because you all see we buy the same things almost all the time, especially certain times of year. 2 things of fish. Again, we just keep these on hand for when we don't know what we want, don't want a lot. Most other times we eat like fresher fish, not this, but again, that's just one of those things. Some apples. And then my husband got these apples. He likes green, so he got those, I think, at Aldi. The tortilla chips that we always eat. And then these. So these are really good. I like the wild blueberries when I can get them, and they always have these at Sprouts. Once in a while I can find them at Kroger, but they have been out for quite a while, so I just go ahead and get these when I can. And I usually buy fresh, you know, because they're starting to be in season, but I do like the wild blueberries better. And I've shown those before. I like to put them in my smoothie bowls, which I do have a recipe on that. I will link below. And then some mango, and again, this is for the smoothie bowls. And then pizza. I almost showed you guys this last night on Instagram. Like usually when I'm fixing something, I'll just share it on Instagram real quick, but I didn't. I started doing something else. I think this is the first time we ever had this one. This is the Private Selection, which is the Kroger brand. This was a really good pizza. We liked it. It was just, you know, the buffalo mozzarella, arugula. Very simple. I did add some sliced Kalamata olives to it, but it was really good. So we got it again because it was on sale. I had a coupon. And then we also really like Newman's Own. So if you're looking for good frozen pizzas, and then you can just add some stuff to them if you want, Newman's Own is a good one. We usually like thin crust pizza. And then I've been in a makeup kick lately with foundation, you name it. I kind of go through spurts where I like what I like and I don't buy anything, and then all of a sudden now I'm kind of buying more. But this is the mascara that I use on my bottom lashes. I have used this for years and years, so if you've watched me a while, you know that. And then, I don't know, the blushes just kind of caught my eye, and I wanted to try this one. So this one is the Peach, I believe. Yes, Peach. I just thought it looked really pretty. Let me know if you guys have used that one. And then we were running low on gummies. I always try to have these gummies. So we do take the Elderberry Gummies every night along with the Monolaurin. I really like those. And then my husband has had kind of a cold ever since we were in West Palm Beach. And just, you know, to keep those nighttime coughs away, we just decided to get this in case he needs it. Pepperoni, again, We've had different kinds, but this is our favorite, and it's the one that has like better ingredients. No antibiotics, grass-fed, all that. So the Applegate brand. Needed some chicken breast. Always try to keep that on hand. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it's kind of one of those staples. I can do all kinds of things, or at the very minimum, just grill it. And same with ground turkey. We'll make tacos, turkey burgers, chili, whatever. So those are two kind of staples. And then bananas. And I believe that's it for this week's grocery haul. So any videos I talked about, I will link them below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.